So this is going to walk through how we changed out some leaking zone valves on this boiler system. We're going to start by cleaning up the copper, getting ready to cut it out. There is water up above this, so we're going to be slapping a ProPress shutoff on. So we've got it cleaned, we've got it so it's prepped for us. We're going to go ahead and cut it. You're going to see that water starts dribbling out. I lift up the ProPress, valve is open, it's funneling down into a bucket. Shut it off, boom, leak stopped. There was already a shutoff below the valves, which allowed me to just get to work right on this. So we're going to go ahead and pull this valve body out. We're going to cut it as close as we can to the existing valve body, and then we'll clean that copper up and get it ready because we're going to ProPress the new valve back in. We went ahead and the valve body came soldered on the bench in the shop. We went ahead and soldered some links into it so that all we had to do on site was press. So here you can see I'm going to go ahead and mark it where I want it to cut. And then once we've got it marked, we'll cut it, slide it in place, get everything lined up, make sure it's pointing in the right direction, and come through with the ProPress. 3 quick presses gets this finished up. Then we go ahead and I put the valve head on and it was upside down. So I went ahead and flipped it the other way to get it in spot. Now, I left the old valve head up into the side with all the wires connected. These were identical matches, so rewiring was just a matter of pulling off from the terminals on the old valve, putting them on the terminals of the new valve, and then I just made sure that they were good connections as we went. Sometimes old wire can get brittle and it may want to crack or break at the end, which could lead to nuisance callback. So made sure it looked good and that it was a good, tight, secure connection. So once that was all done, we go ahead, turn the water back on, and leak check everything. It was good, and the boiler was up and running. Thanks for watching.